disconnected.
And the Baja Rally is something that they have a hand in building. I really think a Baja Rally.
I got to get this tube installed properly here.
I said tube or a moose?
No, it's tube on the rear, moose on the front.
Okay, cool.
I really want to be riding at night.
Your first day in Baja Rally 4, you think you're going to do a good job and learn how to... Lawrence, thank you.
Hey, I made it, buddy. You tried to throw a few screws in the works there, but I got good. It was fun.
I did. Muy amable.
O sea, en lugar de estar marcando una...
Did you eat?
I did.
Let's see.
That's Keith. He's doing really well. Oh! Jenny! That's Jenny. Go get him.
So we can do it, you know, this, and then we're coming back to
Day 3 of the Baja Rally, stage 2 just completed here in Catavita.
Screen grabs from aerial drones.
Would there be chocolate on the bed of the...
So many times. It's the first pilot that's ever requested something like that.
Casey doing a little carb loading?
Yes, carb and beer.
Good luck today, man. That's the cold weather jacket.
I'm amazed that it waited as long.
Good luck today, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need it to finish. It's gonna take every bit of willpower.
Yeah.
Feet and hands are hurting.
Yeah, I bet.
Body's aching, but
Yeah.
today's
I
it.
see you taped your hands.
I did.
Yeah, I was gonna ask. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I knew you liked the country music.
He's Hollywood now. So was today easier than yesterday?
Fuck no. Today
Harder.
was hard.
Today's
Really?
a tough day.
Today
Yeah.
was tough. Short kilometers, but hard.
Yeah,
Navigation was hard.
yeah.
There was a lot of fast stuff in there too.
There was a lot of fast stuff up until the end.
Correct.
You were the first big bike.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I hope they had, everybody was having navigation issues, so I hope they
Yeah.
fucked up and opened some waypoints. I got a clean run though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
It's good.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Congratulations,
Thanks for
buddy.
coming, man. I'm
Thanks
glad
for
you had a
having
good
us.
time.
God, I probably look like crap.
Real pleasure. Real pleasure covering
You
you.
look pretty happy, actually.
Oh,
So.
yeah, I'm so happy right now. Look at me. Beautiful girls. Oh, we're done.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
All right, let's do it.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I saw you and Trent coming by like really fast. We got some great photos and video of the two of you.
Awesome.
You're way ahead of the next two guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Follow you on Facebook.
we were just following each other.
He mentioned some gates were closed, and like you'd hold one, he'd hold the next. Oh, after you, sir.
Yeah, that's how exactly how it was. It was like, oh, I got to one and I had to like totally undo it, and I opened it up and I just said, go ahead, buddy. So he went and we just followed each other, and then he'd open one, let me go. We just kind of did that.
Yeah. Yeah, KC. Yeah, baby.
Eco Sad.
My friend. Congratulations.
One of the brothers, and I go, no, it's
My pleasure. Thank you very much, my friend. It's my pleasure, and welcome to my
Lawrence Hacking. First place, ADD expert. Lawrence, I'm so proud of you. Lawrence Hacking. Congratulations. First place, ADD expert.
Yeah.